Hey guys, so I just wanted to walk you through the Doppler because like I said in my post, I was super hesitant to even try it in the first place, but after talking to my doctor, he reassured me that it was completely safe. And he did tell me, because I was so early when I got it, I was about 12, almost 13 weeks, he told me don't freak out if you can't find the heartbeat, because when they're that, the baby is still so little at that point, and really it could be anywhere, so he reassured me, like, don't freak out, everything's gonna be fine. But I was actually able to find the baby's heartbeat with this Doppler pretty much right away, which was so incredibly special, just to be able to hear it at home. It's just really awesome. So basically SpringBud sends you the whole Doppler that you need with the batteries, and they even send you ultrasound gel as well. So you have everything that you need right when the box comes. So it's really pretty simple, so I'm going to kind of walk you through it, and you can hear baby R's heartbeat.